Data has always been a vital component in any decision-making process of any organization. Today's world runs entirely on data, and none of today's organizations would survive for long without it. 3 typical roles in the industry deals with data, and most people have several misconceptions about these roles and who they are for. Hello, my name is Colin Mabweze, Learning Lead here at the Bulb Africa. Welcome to another episode of the Career X series. Today, I will speak on the difference between a data analyst, data engineer, and a data scientist. Because of how similar these titles are, many get confused and often ask, which of these career paths should I venture into? I would help you understand your differences and the job role best suited for you. But first, let me start by telling you who a data analyst, data engineer, and scientist are. A data analyst analyzes numeric data and uses it to help companies make better decisions. Data analyst roles are a little more entry-level or beginner-friendly for those trying to get their foot in the door in the data world. If you are curious and love to solve problems and enjoy digging into data to find, visualize trends and patterns, then data analysis is for you. A data engineer builds infrastructure and scalable pipelines to manage data flow and prepare it for analysis. Data engineering fits anyone who absolutely loves databases and building databases. So if you love programming languages, you enjoy building and designing databases, this job might be perfect for you. A data scientist analyzes, visualizes, and interprets complex data and implements an algorithm to build a predictive model for future decisions. As a data scientist, you need to have a solid technical background with the ability to create and integrate APIs. You also need to be able to understand data pipelining and performance optimization. Now let's look at the various skill sets required for each role. What skill sets do data analysts, engineers, and scientists need to thrive in their careers? A data analyst's primary skill set revolves around or includes data warehousing, Adobe and Google Analytics, basic programming knowledge, scripting, and statistical skills, reporting, data visualization, SQL, database knowledge, and spreadsheet knowledge. On the other hand, a data engineer requires intermediate level understanding to build algorithms along with a mastery of statistics and math. The important skills needed are data warehousing and ETL, advanced programming knowledge, Hadoop-based analytics, in-depth knowledge of SQL and database, data architecture and pipelining, machine learning concept knowledge, scripting, reporting, and data visualization. Finally, a data scientist needs to be a master of statistics and math, along with in-depth programming knowledge of machine learning. These are very vital skills for a data scientist. Other skill sets include statistical and analytical skills, data mining, Hadoop-based analytics, data optimization, decision making, and of course, soft skills. Now that you have a complete understanding of what skill set you need to become a data analyst, data engineer, and data scientist, let's look at the typical roles and responsibilities of these professionals. The roles of these professionals can be pretty similar in some ways, but at the same time, quite distinct. For starters, a data analyst is responsible for cleaning and processing data, discovering hidden patterns, performing exploratory data analysis, visualizing dashboards, and maintaining databases. Next comes a data engineer, adding to the work of data analyst. A data engineer does data acquisition, designing, building, testing, and integrating data into existing data pipelines. So preparing data for modeling and performing ETL operations. Finally, data scientists are then responsible for many complex tasks, including developing machine learning models, identifying trends in data for making decisions, exploring data by performing statistical analysis, visualizing data, and using storytelling techniques. I'm pretty sure at this point, you can now tell the difference apart and identify which is best suited for you. As I said earlier, data is everywhere, and data analytics is the future. Across nearly every industry, there is an increasing demand for data experts. With a job outlook faster than the average of other occupations, I believe there is no better time to start your journey as data expert than now. With our Career Advanced program, you can learn critical aspects of data science and its impact on the growth of financial institutions and fintechs. To get started, simply visit thebulb.africa/explore courses, which can be found in the description box below. This brings us to the end of this video on the difference between data analysts, engineers, and data scientists. Remember to turn your notifications to be the first to hear from us. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. See you next time.